A 750 credit score isn't built from one action. It comes from consistent reporting of on-time payments, low credit utilization, and a long enough credit history for lenders to trust your pattern. By the end of this, you'll know what actually moves your score towards 750, what slows it down, and what to focus on first if you're trying to get there faster. Start with the biggest driver: payment history. Credit bureaus track whether you pay accounts on time every month, and missed payments have a long-lasting negative impact. Even one late payment can slow your progress toward higher scores because it changes how lenders view your reliability. Next is credit utilization. This is how much of your available credit you're using at any given time. Lower utilization signals less risk because it shows you're not depending heavily on credit. Paying balances down before your statement date can help improve how your accounts are reported. Credit mix also matters. Lenders prefer to see that you can manage different types of credit, like credit cards and installment loans. It doesn't mean you need more debt, but having a healthy mix that you manage responsibly can support higher scores over time. Length of credit history is another factor that takes time to build. Older accounts generally help your score because they show long-term behavior. Closing old accounts can sometimes reduce your average account age, which may slow progress. New credit applications can temporarily hold your score back. Each application creates a hard inquiry, and multiple inquiries close together can signal higher risk to lenders. If your goal is to reach 750 faster, the focus is simple. Keep all payments on time. Keep balances low relative to limits. Avoid unnecessary new credit applications. And let older accounts continue aging instead of closing them. You can also see faster movement when your credit reports update after balance changes or payment cycles. Scores often shift once lenders report new data to the credit bureaus, not immediately after you take action. The key things to remember are simple. Payment history has the strongest impact. Credit utilization can change your score quickly. And time is still a required factor for reaching higher tiers like 750. Next time you're working on your credit score, focus less on quick tricks and more on lowering balances and keeping every payment consistent month after month. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit building and financial topics.